Hello guys, in this video I am going to guide you on how to connect your website with an API wallet. This is an empty API. Let me guide you on how to connect with the cheapest API available right now. So let me guide you step by step on how to do it, because there are some people that don't know how to connect their website with an API. Follow this instruction. Click on configuration first of all. After you have clicked on configuration, go straight to this add API. Click on this add API. As you can see, when you click on add API key, this is where you are going to enter the access code, provide the name for that, provide the URL, and then select the service. So let me guide you on how to get that. You make sure you have navigate to betadata.com.ng. That is the website that you are going to get the cheapest API available right now. And they have 247 support. Anytime you have an issue, you can chat them or contact them via their WhatsApp number. Then if you don't have an account, you can register. You can also log into your website. Right now, this is the login page. Let me log into this account first. After you have registered, then click on login successfully. If you don't have an account, you have to register with this VTU website that offers the available API and bulk of services that are available. So you can see this is the dashboard. Make sure you have deposited an amount into your wallet. If you don't have, you should click on this add money. As you all know how to add money on your website, you can generate the account numbers. They don't charge much, they only charge 2%. You can also use manual funding that costs zero charges. Just generate a Faga account, that is their payment gateway. You should deposit your money into this. Let me deposit money into this account first. Now that I have successfully credited my wallet, you can see here I am still a user on this website. You can either put money to upgrade your account or charge their customer care to upgrade you. You can see this is the vendor package. If you click on this vendor package, all you need to do is to insert your PIN and then click on continue. They are going to charge you only 1,000 naira to upgrade you to a vendor. Now that I have clicked, I am going to be upgrading my account to a vendor where I can get the, now that my account is upgraded, now I can get the API. Where to get the API? Click on this more services. After you have clicked on this more services, click on this API access. After you have clicked on this API access, click on this API access again. This is your API key, as you can see. Let me copy this API key on my clipboard. Click on this API documentation. After you have clicked on this API documentation, it is going to guide you on how to do everything. This is a video guide that it will go. If you don't know how to integrate, you should watch this video. This is the video that will guide you on how to integrate. So there are certain features that I am going to show you here, but let me proceed with this one first. Don't forget that this is the check balance API. Let me copy it first. If I copy this URL for check balance, this is the wallet /API/user. Let me come back to my admin dashboard. If you can see, this is the API URL. I am going to paste the one that I have copied recently. Don't forget that the one that I have copied is for wallet. These are the bunch of services. It's for wallet, right? Let me face it for wallet first. Then go back. Then write the name of the provider. The name of the provider is Betadata. It's Betadata, as you can see. The access code. This is the access code. Don't deceive yourself. This is the access code. Just type it here. First, the access code here. Then update the details. After you have updated the details, now you have added it already. Let me go back to the documentation page. Click on this data. You can do it for all the services, but now let me do it for the main ones. Let me do it for the main ones. This is the data service, right? Let me copy the data service. Let me come back to this one, then paste the URL that I have copied. After I paste the URL, let me select the data is the service, right? Let me write the name is for Betadata, right? For this access code, let me copy this access code and paste it here. For this, you should do it for all the other services, right? So now that I have do that, you have done it for all these available services that are here. You can see every service have its URL. So now let me come back to this page. This is configuration, right? If I click on configuration, let me click on this wallet API. After I have clicked on this wallet API, this is wallet 2 API key, wallet 2 API provider. Let me write the name of the provider. The name of the provider is just Betadata. Betadata is the name of the provider. Don't forget, I am going to copy this my API key. This is the API access. This is my API key. Let me copy it. Then let me come back to this page. This is where to put your API key. Just paste it here. Paste it here like this. Then select the API key providers. This is Betadata, right? This is Betadata, the provider. Let me guide you. This is the one that you have added. This is the one that you have added. Just click on it. We have added the new one. You should not use the one that is above. It is our previous API. The one that you have added recently is Betadata, right? Hope you get it. Then click on update. Come back to your API wallet. If you refresh, you could see the available balance. This is the 500 balance that I have. Then come back to this wallet. You should see that you have the available balance of that amount. This is showing you that you have connected the correct API by showing you the exact amount that you have in your wallet. You can see I have what? I have 500 naira. So let me go back to this API access again. Click on API access, click on API access again, copy the API key. For copying the API key, let me come back to this services. Click on configuration first. Click on configuration first, then come back to this data API. After you have clicked on this data API, change the API key for SME pasting your data. Then click on this data house, then select the last one that you have added recently, then remove this one again, select the API key, then do it again. You can do it for all these ones. You should do it for all these ones. And now that I am just practically showing you what to do, that's the reason I will not spend time for all the services, for Airtel, for Glow, for so. Now that I have done this, let me come back to these services. This is where to add your airtime discount. This is where to add data plans, cable, exam, electricity, and whatsoever. So if I click on these data plans, as you can see, where to get my data plans, if I click on this add new, you can see this is what? This is add new. When you click on this add new, just select the networks. The network is MTN. Select the types of the data. The type of the data is SME, right? How long is the duration? You are going to check this. Let me come back to this page that I have. Click on this API documentation. If you click on this API documentation, we have go to pricing table for available plans, or scroll down, go to pricing table for available balance. Anyone that you have clicked, it will navigate you directly to this page. This is where you are going to see the percentage of the percentage you are going to get as a discount for all the services that you have. And here is the network plan ID. This is the plan ID. This is the plan. This is the subscribers plan, agent, and vendor. The vendor plan is the price you are going to purchase that amount from our users, from this API key. You can see it is going to cost you 435 gig. You can see what is the plan ID. The plan ID is 1. Let me come back to this page. You are going to write the duration is 7 days. The plan ID is 1. The gig is 1 gig. The types of the data is SME, right? Then what is the price? The buying price is 430. You can set your selling price as 550, then this one as 500 for the agent that are going to register for on your website. You can set this as 470 for the agent that are going to register on your website. Just click on add plan, and this plan will be added to your website directly. When a user purchase data, it is going to purchase data successfully on your website. Successfully, you can see this is the plan that you have added. Now that you have already others plan that that you don't want to add this one by one, and adding this or and adding all these one by one. So let me guide you on how to do that. All you need to do is come back to this your pricing to this your page. Let me just click on go back. I am going to guide you on how to make it simpler. This is the simplest way. When you click on this download ready-made plan ID, just click on it like this. You can see it is downloading, right? It is not that much. So you just need to extract this file. All you need to do is just extract. This file is a database that we have extracted all the available plans and added them for easy installation on our website. So you can see this is the data plans and API link. All you need to do is come back to your page, go directly to this to your PHP my admin. This is PHP my admin, right? Let me scroll down. This is PHP my admin. Then click on your table. I'm guiding you because there are some that are newbies on this space. This is your C funnel. If you don't know how to integrate this, just follow that steps that I have provided for the first time. Then select the tables, select these API links. These API links, if you delete it, you don't need to manually add the APIs. Then click on these data plans. This is the data plans. For now, these are the only ones that we have added, the API link and the data plans. Then I am planning to add these cable plans, the cable ID, and several things. Then we are going to set an option for that. But for now, this is the one that we have added. Now that I have selected these two tables, I am going to delete them. You can see I am just dropping it. If you don't want to select it, just click on, all you need to do is just click on drop with the selected one. If you don't want to do that, just click on drop. It is going to drop this file. Then click on drop for the API link again. It is going to drop this file. You can see. Let me drop it. I have dropped this file. All right, so let me upload the one that I have extracted. Click on import. After you have clicked on import, choose the file. Then click on the file that you have extracted. Click on it. Click on this one that they have downloaded. Then all you need to do is just click on import. This is the ready-made database that we have provided. So now that I have uploaded, the only things that are going to be updated is the API links. You are going to have the Betadata API updated one. Then the data plans. These are the data plans. You can see 69. The data plans are already, if you have preparation, now you will not see this 11 gig and so you need to log into your dashboard. Plan with same ID already exists. Now that I have uploaded, you can see the 1 gig was already uploaded with the plan ID 1 gig with the VIN and so now all you need to do is just to compare the price. When you click on this pricing table, all you need to do after this, you just need to compare the pricing. For this, the vendor was updated to 430. All you need to do is click on this 1 gig, then update the buying price to 430, then the selling price to 550, then the agent price to 500, then selling to vendors at what rate? At 450. Then click on update. This is simple. You should do that. You should do this. I have provided this guide. This is the simplest way to connect your VTU website with API. I don't want to prolong this video. If you have any question, I'm available. You can chat me on WhatsApp. If you want me to integrate the API for you, you can also chat me on WhatsApp. This is the cheapest API you are going to get right now. Getting 1 gig at 430, getting 2 gig at 850, and we are planning to reduce the amount. So you can see these are the available plans, and we are adding much. You can get any service of your wish, of your choice here. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also get the script available from me to create a beautiful VTU website and integrate the API for you. Thank you. Thank you.